So today we continue with the LG factory service remote control tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick picture and sound check on your LG TV. Any LG TV will work with this remote. So let's start with the picture. Just press this button over here labeled P. The check over there is for checking. P for picture, S for sound. So let's start with P. The first checks the contrast. The second checks the contrast and brightness. The third checks the brightness. The other checks the brightness and color. Then color and tint and sharpness, and back to default settings. Now for the sound check. You notice that this is very fast and you don't need the password like before. So we are now in sound settings. So for sound settings, just press the S button. Volume is 50, volume 80, volume full, volume 50 but only left speaker working, volume 50 but only right speaker working, then back to default with volume being 50. Now sometimes this sound check will be a little bit different, and I'm going to show you what it will show on a different type of TV. Now this might get a little bit loud, but this TV has a subwoofer, and let's see how different the settings are. And that's how different the settings are. As a bonus, I'm going to show you two more buttons. So this here is the picture settings mode, and it will change the picture mode as you press the button. Let me exit, and this other button over here is the sound mode. As you press it, the television will toggle between the different sound modes that it has: standard, news, music, cinema, sport, and so on. And as a very bonus, I'm going to show you one very last button, because I don't want this video to become very long, and that's this button named Arc. It changes the aspect ratio of your television. So thank you for watching, guys, and goodbye.